Here are real, measurable facts from around the world that sound unbelievable, but are true. The Earth's rotation is slowing down by about 1.5 milliseconds every century. The deepest part of the ocean is nearly 100 kilometers deep, deeper than Mount Everest is tall. The human eye can distinguish around 10 million different colors. A modern cruise ship can carry over 6,000 passengers, more than many small towns. The human nose can remember about 50,000 different scents. The longest traffic jam ever recorded stretched over 100 kilometers. A single lightning strike can heat the air to 30,000 degrees Celsius, hotter than the sun's surface. A typical cloud can weigh more than 1 million tons, even though it floats. The longest living non-vertebrate lived for over 400 years. The world's longest tunnel runs for more than 57 kilometers beneath mountains and sea. Which one of these surprised you the most? Comment below and support the channel if you enjoyed it.